Hello, Mr. Bad Max, or the viewers if you show this. And here I'm going to show you my submission for the
Fortnite Bootleg Contest Free.
Superhero Summer. The character I have chosen to bootleg for this competition is the character
Mega Man.
from Mega Man. So without further ado, let's get this started. The skin I have used is the Reboot Man skin with its helmet off style due to its prominent use of blue and grey. The back bling I used was the hollow back bling with the Allied Army emoticon on it to emulate the Dr. L logo from the Mega Man games. The pickaxe I used was the Omni Sword, meant to emulate the Z-Saber used by the character Zero in Mega Man. The glider I used was the Cyclone Glider, meant to look like the Rush Jet from Mega Man. The emote I used was Point and Shoot, meant to emulate the winning animation at the end of a level from Mega Man 8. Thanks for watching and I hope I qualify. See ya!